Last year, something powerful began.
Please welcome Neil Borate.
Salil Panchal.
Voices that informed, inspired, and simplified finance for millions
Rachna Ranade.
were recognized, celebrated, and honored.
This wasn't possible without people like you. We could not have evolved as an industry without the contribution coming from the media fraternity.
Because behind every informed investor is a voice that made finance accessible.
I think teaching is a very noble job, so I focus on the nobleness of it.
From print to television to social media and YouTube, these voices didn't just create content, they created impact. And now, as we are entering the new financial year, HDFC Securities has come up with powerful voices in finance 2026. Bigger, bolder, more impactful than ever before. With some of the most respected names in finance across multiple categories celebrating real impact, the award ceremony will happen on April 8th, 2026 at St. Regis Hotel, Mumbai. You can also watch it live on HDFC Securities YouTube channel.